my seat in Langata and went and recontested in my new party ticket, and the people re-elected me. Nobody does this these days in this country. This is politics of hypocrisy, which you don't want, and it's also corruption of the political process. Because the Speaker should know what the Constitution says and provides. Even the courts know what the Constitution provides. Unfortunately, it has been an uphill task trying to deal with some of these rebel members. What is happening is basically undermining multi-party democracy in our country, and this is not good. But I also want now to take opportunity to thank our members of ODM in Kilifi County for standing together, rallying together and campaigning together for the victory of the party. I want to wish them all the best.